I got my new Tote box. It's time to do another unboxing, so let's just dive right in. We've done, y'all have to excuse me, I'm actually in my bathroom today, but no worries. I'm gonna make sure you guys can see everything. I guess I'll put the box over here. There we go. All right, so let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Even though I already know what I have, I just want to, I just haven't seen it in person. So I showed you guys how the Tote box comes. Comes all nicely wrapped in every piece. So exciting. And you guys know you'll see some of these, well, all of these pieces actually in my outfit of the day videos, right? Okay, y'all ready? Let's just dive right in. Okay, one of the first pieces I got is this cute little dress. And y'all, my mom saw me in that yellow sweater and asked me, why didn't you buy that yellow sweater? I'm like, that's not what I'm doing this for. Y'all, look at this cute little dress. I actually kind of like doing my videos in here. Look at this. Cute, right? It's navy blue. And it has pink and like red, orange, and coral like colors and white all in this dress. So cute. And then look at this is the way like the sleeves are. Isn't that cute? It's like, look, I'll show you. Look. That's cute. Now, you know your girl trying to lose weight and things, so let's see if she can fit it. We'll see. We will see. Okay, so that's the first piece. Okay, so this dress is, oh yeah. Ooh. This is my weakness. This is a Vince Camuto. This is a Vince Camuto dress, y'all. Vince Camuto is my weakness. It really is. I don't know why. It just is. I just hope I can wear this. What do y'all think? Y'all think I'll be looking all right in it? Let's see. This is they actually, they scared me, and I ended up getting a size 14. I hope I didn't get it too big. That's what I hope. I hope I didn't get it too big. It's going to make me mad if I did. Okay. So the next thing, it's like a top. You can wear it as a top. Like I can see this with a pair of white leggings. Isn't this cute? You can probably wear it, get away with wearing it as a dress. Cause I think yeah, I can get away with wearing it as a dress. But I think it would be really cute with a pair of white leggings and some cute little flats. But isn't this cute? The V-neck. Look at the detail. And then it ties right here in the back. So cute. It's very thin fabric. Let's see what brand it is. Noir. And I got this in a size large. Oh, I didn't notice this down here. There's like a little layer thing going on all the way around. Do you see that? It's like 2 layers there. That is so cute. And it's I think it's very pretty for spring. Okay. And then this is probably the thing that's going to be hard for me to give back. Because I've been looking for one of these. Oh, this looks kind of small. I don't know. It's just a black blazer type of jacket or whatever. Let's put it on, because I actually had this in mind, this shirt in mind when I saw this jacket. It's kind of tight, guys. It fits me kind of, but look how cute. Do you see how dressy it made this, like just that fast? I think it's kind of tight because of the sleeves that's under it, but I could definitely get away with wearing it. Look how cute this is. This is the one I think I'm going to have a hard time getting, sending back. Because it hits me just right. Like it hits me just where I need it to hit. It's not too long where it looks like a suit jacket or whatever. Oh Lord. I'm either going to have to find a really good duplicate, or I'm going to end up having to buy this bad boy right here. This is cute. Look at this. Look what it did. Look what it did to a baseball tee. This is what I'm talking about, girls. And if I put on a pair of heels, like right now I have on sneakers, but I got on these holy jeans, torn jeans, and this baseball tee and this jacket. If I was to just switch it up a little bit and put on a pair of gray heels with this, boom, bam, bam, I'm out. I'm out. You know what I'm saying? This is a nice brunch outfit with your girlfriends, with your man, whoever. I love the way it goes in right here because it kind of cinches in the waist. It makes me have a waist. Yeah, okay, yes, it's one of my favorite pieces. It's one of my favorite pieces. Oh, Lord. Oh, they're going to tempt me into buying this. I just know it. Okay. Now y'all know I also get accessories. Oh, how pretty. Oh, how pretty. Oh, how pretty. This is another bracelet. You see that? And then that's the little pulley. It's just like this one that I have on with the pulley. That's what this is like. And it's very delicate. So pretty. And then I got this. I need to know which one is which. Because they're talking about return the jewelry with this card. Alright. I gotta remember what card go with what, I guess. Let's just take this one out. Oops. So this is a necklace. Break it. Okay. This is a necklace. How cute. Come on. How cute is this? I think this is like, oh, y'all, it's a pulley. Why does everything have to be a pulley? I like it. So look. Oh, wait. Look, let me pull this some more. Isn't this cute? I don't know why this one don't want to go nowhere. These little couple of beads right here don't want to move. I don't know why. Okay, so then you put it on like so. I'm trying to find it. Like this. Right? And then you can do this. You pull it up to however you want it. That is cute. So nice, so trendy. So now. You know what I mean? So now. Cute, right? So yeah, those are the 5 pieces that I got. So I'm really excited to wear them. Let's see, did they put any information in the box? They did last time. This time they didn't give me you know, like last time they gave me a card that says hi Karen and all that good stuff, baby. Not this time. I'm like, you in the club. You just in the club. So yeah, that's it. That is it for the tote, but we just got back in from dinner, so I'm going to put on some night clothes and relax, but I had to go ahead and unbox this because my whole thing is I wanted to see the pieces. I know you guys want to see the pieces, so I wanted to go ahead and record it for you. So thank you again for tuning into my tote unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great night. Bye-bye.